Okay, today we will try to understand how to host your free website. Okay, and how to host your website freely by getting a free domain. Okay, try to understand. First of all, what is hosting and free domain? You need to understand. Whenever you want to create a website, okay, your website to be placed in a computer, in a server. So your website to be placed in a computer means that is a server. So once you create a website means like whenever you click on, see, google.com, okay, google.com. So google.com is what? It is a website. Normally, whenever you click, so this is a search engine website, okay. If you click on flipkart.com, flipkart.com, okay, not work. So now here you are looking, this is the flipkart.com. Okay. This is called web address. Okay. This is called your site website address. Simply you can say it is a website address. So with now you want to launch your website. So you need to keep this type of address. Okay. Now this flipkart.com, whenever you are typing here. So you are accessing this flipkart.com site. This site, whenever you click on here, so you will get another page that is called web page. So that website consists of so many, wherever you click one more web page here. Suppose if you click here, okay, if you click here, you will get one more page. If you click here, one more page will be opened here. So see, this is what it is concerning with what? Cameras. Okay. This is one more page. So as you click on, you will get one more page. These all pages are called web pages. So one website consists of so many pages. Nothing but website is like a simply a book. Okay. This is web book. Normally we are having physical books. So whenever if you want to enter into any, you want to create a website, you must have a domain name. Okay. After that, your site you created, whatever that is to be stored in a server. So if you want to publish your publish means host. Host means you want to keep your website in a server. You need to pay the money. But nowadays, so many free web hosting sites are there. So we can go there and we can create our website and we can host that website by getting a free domain. Okay. Domain, as I told you that this is .com, .org, .edu. They are called the domains. So I am supporting you. I am preferring you one website that's name is equal to free, sorry, pro free host. Free, this is the website address. profreehost.com. Okay. No login. First of all, you type this address. Okay. No forward slash profreehost.com. If you enter, you will get this type of home page, web page. You will get this here. Here, suppose if you have any account, login. Okay, click on login. Otherwise, if you don't have any account, click on register now. So whenever you click on this register now, if you click on this register now, So you will get register page. So you need to keep your see whenever you here you click on create a new account. Okay. Once you register yourself, once you register yourself, you will get a mail to your given mail address. Okay, at the time of registration, so you will keep your email address and password. So once registration successfully done, so one email will be sent to your mobile. So there, click on the activation button. So your account will be activated. After that, you will get this page. Okay. Here, you need to keep your website address. You need to keep your website address. Any address as you, whatever you want to type here. Suppose if you want to write like what, somewhat ideas, simply ideas tech. Okay, ideas tech. After that, live blog 360, this will be added. So ideas tech dot. So check availability. So this domain that is free, the free domain. As I told you that domain is what? That is the website address which is coming with .com, .org, .edu, .net, like that is called domain. Okay. So now this ideas tech live blog it is available. So whenever you click on this, so I have just created this is my domain. I have created innovative ideas live blog 365.com. I have created. So now it is taking time, created just now 24 today 24/12 December, just this is the time. Okay, so let us see how much of time it is taking. So now here, after that, now you want to manage your website. Now you want to manage your website. So click on this manage. If you click on this manage, let us see what happened. So you will get this. So here see manage your website with feature rich control panel. Okay. You click on this control panel. Now we need to install WordPress. Okay. Now we want to install the WordPress now. So WordPress is a software that is to be used to create the website. Okay. So whenever you click on this control panel, you will see this message. Here, So if you want to approve, okay, approve here. So whenever it is loaded, within this, we need to install WordPress. Come down here, come down, come down. We need to click here, soft Ecolos apps installer. Okay. So if we click here, these are all the apps. Okay. Software, under the software, see, once Vista panel, databases, domains, okay, preferences, files, databases, email. Under this, we need to choose software. Under this, apps installer, click on this apps installer. After that, see, so many apps are here, WordPress, Joomla. These are all apps. For our web creation, we need WordPress. So let us see Dolphin. Okay. So many apps are here. We can access the apps. So every app, what is the use of every app? Here, see, WordPress is a state-of-the-art publishing platform with a focus on aesthetics, web standards, and usability. So about every app they have briefed here. So just click on this install. This is the latest release date of 6/12. Okay. This is the latest version of WordPress released on this December 2023 6. This is the version name. Okay. Now you install. Click on install. Under here, you need to put some your account, admin account. Okay. Admin username, admin password. You need to admin username. See, suppose you need to create your username, okay, and password. So once you have enter your username and password, okay, and after that, you click on install now. Install. So now it is submitting your data. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. That moment, don't leave the page until the progress bar continues. So now you will get this message. Congratulations, the software was installed success. Which software was installed successfully? WordPress software. So WordPress will be used to design the website without writing a coding. No need to write any coding. Okay, any programming, you need not to create your website. So WordPress will be so helpful, okay, while you want to design your, okay. So once WordPress installed, you can see your link. This is your website address. Okay, HTTPS. You are getting secure protocol. HTTPS is a protocol. HTTPS means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So this protocol function over a secure layer that is called SSL. SSL certificate. SSL means secure socket layer. Okay. Nowadays, for all websites, it is so mandatory to get the secure certificate. So the websites normally general feeling of the netizens, if it is not equipped with the HTTPS, they will feel HTTP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol which will be used to run the websites. Okay. So once we click on this, whenever you create your website, so you please write down this address at your notebook. Okay. Maybe this is somewhat lengthy Vasurao innovative ideas dot live blog 365.com. So now, and that password you have kept for your admin password, your username and password, that is to be noted down. Because now if you will forget that, how can you log into your website? Okay, to administer, if you want to manage that website, you click on here. Once the connection for this site is not secure, no issue, you come down here, you click on once administrative URL. Here you need to pass your password. So whenever we have seen WordPress has been successfully installed, okay. So these two URL address we are getting. URL address means Uniform Resource Locator address. This is for administrator. Administrator means what? Whomever giving permission to me to host my website on his server. This is the admin. Okay. So me, I need to, this is my website address. So I need to click on this URL address. So let us see. This connection for this site is not secure. Try running network diagnostics with Git help. Send an invalid response. Let us see what happened here again.